my forex funds. Hello and welcome guys, welcome to Forex Gold. So in this video we are going to talk about my forex funds. So I will show you my challenge account, the dashboard, and also the MT4. I will also show you the spreads, commissions. So I'll cover everything in this video. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end guys. Okay, let's start. So before starting guys, belated Merry Christmas to all my YouTube family, and also wishing you a happy new year in advance guys. Okay, so may all your dream come true this year. So hope for the best guys. Okay, all the best. So let's start with the video guys. So my forex funds, as you know, they are the prop firm. Okay, you can become a funded trader. So these are the different account sizes. The maximum account is 300k. Okay, so I'll create a different video explaining the my forex funds. So today I'll show you the dashboard and our challenge. Okay, so as you can see, I'll explain you the basic rules. So 5% daily drawdown, 12% overall drawdown. Okay, so these are the important things we for us. 8% is the profit target for phase 1, and 5% is profit target for phase 2. And we have to trade a 5 minimum trading days to complete the phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, and there are no trading restrictions. Okay guys, so let's straight dive into our dashboard. So these are the different types of account they are providing: 5,000, 10,000, 20k, 50k, 100k, 200k, and 300k. Okay, so as you can see, the daily drawdown, as they have stated, is 5%, and the max is 12%. Okay, for every account. And the leverage they are providing is 1:100, and this is the refundable registration fees. Okay, so when we pass both the phases and we move on to our live account, so with our first withdrawal, so we'll get this deposit, our whatever we have paid, we will get refund. Okay, so these are the plans guys. So let's move on to our dashboard, and then I will show you my MT4 account. Okay, MT4, the spreads, commissions, and everything. I'll also place a minimum order for you. Okay, so this is the dashboard. It's how it looks like. So as you can see, this is our account 20266,295. Okay guys, so I have started this account 7 days before, and I have not traded anything. So I want to first upload the first video, and then only I will continue with the other parts. Okay, I will do everything in front of you guys. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and like this video. Okay guys, so till the withdrawal I'll upload all the videos. Okay, and after what my plan is guys, first, so if you are planning to buy accounts, okay, go with lower size. So if you have $200-300, then go for $84. That's what I recommend. Okay guys, so that's why I was first aiming for the 50k. I already have some other funded accounts, but for you know, showing everything to you, so I have done the 10k challenge. I've took the 10k challenge. Then when we get the withdrawal, then we will move on to 20, 50, 100, and there onwards we will move on. Okay, so with the minimum you have to start. That's what I want to say. Okay guys, so this is done. So this is our dashboard, how it looks like. As you can see, the currently we are in a 0.35% profit, so no problem. So we are not, so 5% daily drawdown. Okay, that's the rule, you have to understand. 5% and 12%. So daily you cannot go beyond 5%. If you do, then your account will be suspended. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. So as you can see, we are currently 0.35% up, and here you will get your maximum stop out for the day, that is 5%. So if you calculate this is 5%. Okay, so from here till here, if I go below this, then my account will be suspended. Okay guys, so we still have 35 days left. So I've shown you the account. As you can see, this is the account 20266,295. okay, now we'll move on to our MT4, and I'll show you the spreads. Okay, so as you have seen the account, so as you can see on the left top, 20266,295. okay, Traders Global Group. So let me show you, this is the phase 1, as you can see over here. Okay, so this is the spread guys. Let me go to minimum time frame, 1 minute time frame. So as you can see, this is the spread, and let me place an order for you. Okay guys, so I have placed this order. So as you can see, our order is completed guys. So this is just a random my random trade guys, just to show you. Okay, so I have set the stop loss, and also I'll exit the order guys. Okay, so the spreads as you can see, the commission is 0.03. so that means for one lot you need to pay $3 commissions, which is very quite low. And also guys, the spreads are very low. Okay, so the spreads I like very much. Okay guys, the spreads are very low. I don't know about different brokers, but MFF is providing very good spreads. Okay, so you can check over here all the different pairs. I'll show you. This is Euro USD, USD JPY. So everywhere spreads are very good guys. Okay, so these are the raw spreads and the minimum spreads. Okay guys, so we will continue with this account. I will trade, and I will try to pass it in as fast as I can. But the main important thing is we need to pass it. Okay guys, it doesn't matter, we are not going to get any award or anything. Okay, so we have to complete with our strategy. So I'll tell you the risk management I'm using. So 0.5%. so for $100, okay, so we have a 10k challenge account. So for 10k, 1% is $100. So that means 0.5% means $50 I am risking per trade, and my aim is to make more than that. Okay, more than $50, 1:2 or more than $50, not less than $50. Okay, so what we are risking, we have to make more than that. So main thing is money management guys. So money management must be done. Okay, so this order I'll cancel it guys. Okay, so the order has been cancelled. And this is the dashboard guys. So you stay updated. I will keep posting regularly until we get our withdrawal, and then guys we will move on to another account. Okay, so please like the video guys. When we get the withdrawal, I am going to do giveaway of the 5k accounts for you guys. Okay, so those who cannot afford the accounts, I know it's really hard. Okay, so I will do the giveaway of these accounts. Okay, I will start doing the giveaway so when we get the withdrawal. Okay guys, so please make sure you like the video guys, and you be subscribed and turn all notifications on. Okay, so when I upload, you don't miss any updates. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next video as we keep growing, as we grow our account. So continuously I'll keep updating you guys. Okay, till then.